Welcome to day 16 of our 365 Days of Mindfulness challenge. Today, we're focusing on mindful texture awareness, a practice that helps us connect with our sense of touch and deepen our presence in the moment. Our sense of touch is often overlooked in daily life, yet it plays a vital role in how we experience the world. By tuning into different textures around us, we can engage more fully with our surroundings and cultivate mindfulness in a simple, effective way. Let's guide you through today's mindfulness practice, exploring textures with awareness. Find an object nearby, something with an interesting texture like a piece of fabric, a smooth stone, or a wooden surface. Ready? Let's begin. Find a comfortable position and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold for a moment, then exhale. Slowly through your mouth, let yourself relax and bring your attention to your sense of touch. Pick up the object you've chosen. Run your fingers over its surface. Notice whether it feels smooth, rough, soft, or bumpy. Pay attention to every little detail, focusing on how it interacts with your fingertips. Gently close your eyes to heighten your sense of touch. With your vision removed, explore the object again. Notice if the texture feels different without visual cues. Does it feel warmer, cooler, or more defined? Take a moment to describe the texture in your mind. Is it comforting, energizing, or neutral? Observe any emotions or thoughts that arise as you engage deeply with the sensation. When you're ready, place the object down and take a final deep breath. Reflect on how this simple practice brought you into the present moment. Appreciate how tuning into touch can anchor you in mindfulness throughout the day. Mindful texture awareness helps us reconnect with our physical environment, offering a break from mental distractions and grounding us in the here and now. By consciously engaging our sense of touch, we deepen our connection to the present moment, reduce stress, and enhance overall sensory awareness. How did this practice feel for you? Did you notice anything new about the object you explored? Share your experience in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on day 16 of the 365 Days of Mindfulness challenge. Let's continue bringing mindfulness into all our senses. See you tomorrow for day 17. Stay serene and embrace the textures of life.